Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now let me go back my computer screen and let me show you. And you can see what is there, golden hour thinking. So actually today I am making a new section for Shopify store owner, and that will work in every Shopify free theme, and that is tab based product slider. So I have already almost finished this package, or make ready this package, or finish this, make complete everything so that everyone can use it. And I also taking the preparation to make a new video how to add tab based product slider in Shopify homepage, and how it use, customize, and what is the benefit, including everything. But right now I just want to share what actually I have done so far in today. Basically, I'm working as a Shopify developer. Also, I like to share my daily life as a Shopify developer blog. That's why I recording this video. Also, today I make another awesome WordPress plugin. I have started my career as a WordPress developer, and right now using AI, vibe coding, and also I have custom coding skill from previous years. Actually, I started my career with coding. That's why it's easy for me to build any WordPress plugin right now. So I made a WordPress plugin and already started using this plugin. And from now, everyone will get a lots of free resource to easily get it to use any Shopify website. In previous, in maximum comment, I found that where is the code link, where is the code. Sometimes I share, and sometimes few link is broken for many reasons, and sometimes I miss it. But right now everyone get this ready code snippet, and you don't have to wait for any code. Very simple, and I actually make it for everyone so that everyone can use it. Let me show you. So from now, in every Shopify tutorials, you will find this section or article links. I will share article links. Then in every article, you will find a section or feature free for my YouTube community. So when you join in my YouTube community, and when you click join the channel to get free access, then you will get the ready code snippet. So also I write article. Actually, my core skill is Shopify development and SEO. That's why I'm very focused on content marketing, and I use this YouTube channel to get clients or bring customers who use Shopify, who want to build an e-commerce website. And this is a ecosystem for me. I already write an article in here, and you see I make everything in draft. This plugin is actually convert my audience into subscriber without any paid app. And I write title in here. I built a free WordPress plugin that grow my YouTube channel on autopilot. How to get free YouTube subscriber from your blog, no bot, no paid. The free plugin turn every blog post into a YouTube subscriber. So now the question is that actually this video, why for you? If you are an entrepreneur, you have an e-commerce website, no matter you are using Shopify, WordPress, or any other platform. Also, don't worry or don't feel bored if you are a Shopify user, because this video that you are watching right now will be helpful for you. Because if you want to bring traffic, target customers on your e-commerce website or Shopify website, you must have to start organic marketing. And for organic marketing, to get free traffic, free customers, you must have to start YouTubing, create content for YouTube, also create video content for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So when you start your YouTube, especially because YouTube is ready for buyer or for customers, then you must have to use this free plugin that I built today. So what you have to do, if you have an e-commerce website, then you must have to blog site. And if you build this blog site with WordPress, then you can use this free plugin that I have developed today. And this plugin automatically convert your every visitor into a subscriber. So the more subscriber means the more improvement of your channel rank and the more increase of your community and the more possibility to sales and increase the revenue. So this is like a Shopify developer daily life blog, but as my old skill or primary skill, and I started my career as a WordPress developer. That's why I built it with AI and my custom coding and using my own knowledge. So this is very simple for me, and you can use this plugin if you want to run every 1 second. Here is the title I make. Free plugin run every blog post into YouTube subscriber. Then you can use this free plugin. If you want a free WordPress plugin that grow your YouTube channel, then you can use this plugin. And if you want to grow your YouTube channel for free using this simple WordPress plugin. So I actually like to share my daily life activities and the work, what actually I'm doing, how developing my business and growing to my business and trying to improve my business, everything with you. So if you like to watch the video like blogging type, like a Shopify developer lifestyle, you want to watch the how to freelancer work from home and what actually their lifestyle, then you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.